Okay, so this software is a program that helps you to basically automate the process of creating, building content to, and then promoting, driving traffic to small niche blogs, right? So the software automates the process at each step. So this little video is going to show you each of the different steps and how quick and easy it is to do some of these things. So we're going to make a blog here. This is the first step of creating a blog. So all you need to do on this step is just type in the FTP details, all that kind of thing, and then when you're ready you hit move to step 2. Step 2 here is where you fill in the details for your blog, as well as add your blog's theme. You can choose from a big list of themes here. This is where you do things like add your keywords description, title tag, and you also add the plugins you want to use for your blog here. There's these basic plugins, and then there's an advanced set of plugins that you can also use where you can customize your blog a little further. It's also where you use automatic social bookmarking, so that all your posts get submitted to a list of social bookmarking sites, and so on. So that's the second step of your site creation is there. And finally the third step, where you can customize your blog and add as many plugins as you want. There's a big list of about 40 of them here that you can add. You can click the links here to see what each plugin does, and you can choose which ones you want to use, or you can just select them all and easily select all the plugins to use and then use them, configure them at a later date. So when your blog's finished being created, you land on this page, which is where you manage the place where you manage all the blogs that you've created so far. So you see a list of all the blogs that you've got here, and you can choose the action that you want to do to any of the blogs. So you can get content for the blogs, you can edit things through WP admin, you can fiddle with your plugins, all those kind of things. So this is the area that you do that. So then once your blog's created, you need some content for it, and this is the area where you generate your content for your site. So you have the option to create unique posts, of course, just like you would on a normal blog, or you can use some of the features of this software to help you to generate your own content. So for example, you can click Get Content, and you can find content from other places on the internet related to the topic of your blog, and you can do a search. You then find that there's 10 articles here related to SEO, so you want to add them to your site to get some quick content. So you select all of those and you add them to your blog. Then coming back to the blog's content page, you'll see now that this blog has now got these 10 articles on it. And then from here there's all kind of things you can do to improve this content as well. For example, so I've got an article on SEO here. We might like to add a quick YouTube video to it, so we can search up here in YouTube videos for SEO. And we might find a video like this, search engine guide, so we can click that I want to add this video, add, finish, and then I've got that video in my post. Then I can also add things like pictures here if I want to add pictures, and very importantly I can add things like trackbacks to other blog posts. So I can search in here for other blog posts related to SEO, and I can add those to my blog with links that will then provide a trackback and hence a link back to my blog. So this window is going to tell us what blog posts are related to SEO that are happening around the internet. So for example, I might at the end of this article include something like for the latest and I can drag one of these down into my post, and then I've got a link to that post, and this is linking to their blog post, which gives me a trackback. There's another good one, and so on. And then I would insert the keywords for my post and the description, and I would create that blog post. And then when I come here and update my blog, so then basically this is the finished product. We've got this SEO blog that we quickly created. You'll see all the articles that I've pulled up before. They're all added to this blog now, and we'll see them. This blog's got stacks of content on here. There's all kind of things, and if I come right to the bottom, you'll see that post that I made, and here it is. So it's about UK SEO services. It's got the YouTube video in there that we can play if we want, and it's got these links to the other blog posts related to SEO that we found in that feature. So I'm going to have trackbacks, links to my blog coming back from those blog posts as well. So that's one of the ways that you can get content to your blog from this service. There's many of them. I just wanted to, for the sake of simplicity and to give you a good sample of the software, show you a nice quick one, which is that. So the next thing that you do is now you need links and you need to promote this content. So I'm going to give you a look at how to do that. So when you're back inside Firepower now, there's a number of ways that you can start to promote and build links for and drive traffic to the content that you do have on your site. So some of these ways are through Yahoo Answers. That's a little feature that helps you automatically submit replies to questions at Yahoo Answers in order to, and leave links to your site in order to increase your traffic. You've got RSS submission, which allows you to submit your blog's RSS feed automatically to about 20 RSS feed directories. So you build 20 backlinks straight off the bat. That's just a click of one button. Social bookmarking is what we talked about at the start, which is where you can submit any of the posts that you make automatically to a number of the social bookmarking services. There's about 40 on there, so that's an easy place to get links for any post that you write. And the biggest one is what I'm going to demonstrate to you here is the blog network. So the blog network is basically, we have a network of blogs, of about almost 1,000 blogs now, where as a user of this software you can make posts to any of those blogs as though they are your own in order to get incoming links to your site. So once I'm in the blog network, I hit submit a new post easily. So this is what happens. So say you've got a website related to business, and I want to make a post to get some links. So I click here and I see a list of all the business blogs. So I've got an SEO blog, so I might like to get a link from that blog. I might like to get a link from that blog. I might like to get a link from passive income blogging. That one looks good. Get brute force SEO. That's a SEO blog, and I can choose up to 5 of these per post. So 4 will do for now. So I then come down here and I write a post. So in here I post, and what I would do is say I want to rank for the term SEO. It's not very intelligent, but I then leave a link. I leave a link to my blog in there. So what happens then is this post now, containing a link to my blog, is going to go out and be submitted. After it gets approved, it's going to be submitted and posted to those 5 blogs that I nominated earlier. So now I've got a link coming back to my site on 4 different blogs that are all on different IP addresses. They're all new, unique, different blogs, and so I've got 5 valuable incoming links coming back to my site, and I can do this as many times as I want, for as many terms as I want, make as many posts as I want. It's completely unlimited, so there's no end to the number of links that you can get using this service. So I hope that's given you a valuable look at the way this software works to help you create blogs, build content, and promote your site, build backlinks, and get a ton of traffic from the search engines. If you've got any questions, you can email Alex or myself, and we'll be happy to help you out.